Hello everyone, it's the Canadian Futures Trader here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the video.
Gotta get more followers.
If you have not already, be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, get notified every time I put out a brand new video. Everyone, something a little different today, something pretty fun though, I think. About a month ago, I had the bright idea. What if I could get my hands on an old school trading jacket, much like the pit traders wear? I started out on eBay searching for pit trader jacket. Now, while there was some pretty flashy threads on there, didn't exactly find what I was looking for. And while I did find this one novelty jacket for $165 with the word pig written on it, I decided I might be able to do better. In my searching, though, I came across the company Peco Inc., and their website address is actually tradingjackets.com. Turns out they are basically the OG jacket manufacturer. Now, I took a look at their site, and one of the first things I did was I went to some of their social media, and I was a little bit dismayed. I thought, uh-oh, this isn't going to lead to anywhere, because it appears that Peco has rebranded as Culinary Classics. They now make jackets for, chefs and cooks and kitchen staff, etc., which somewhat makes sense since the trading jacket market probably isn't a hot spot. But nonetheless, I did a bit more digging around on their website, also on YouTube. I actually found this interview by CNN Business of actual Peco, and I am pronouncing it right, and I'll show you right now.
Of Peco Culinary Classics.
So that video goes on to show kind of a tour of their factory, and basically they discuss how they switched from making trading jackets to culinary industry jackets. But lucky me, I sent them an email nonetheless, and I heard back from the nice lady that works there, and they absolutely would make me a trading jacket. They're definitely a bit old school, but I honestly kind of liked it. You can't build your jacket online. You can look at everything, but you actually have to email them the specs of exactly what you want. If you go to options, you see they have different diagrams where you can pick different colors for different areas of the jacket, and you have to specify each of these things that you want. As you scroll down, they have different fabrics you can use. They have mesh. They have additional options over here about putting, logos and badge numbers. And again, more layout, do you want to split down the middle, etc. So quite a few options. It actually took me a little bit to design the jacket because there were so many options and I wanted to get it right. And obviously I wanted to go with a CFT theme. Shirley there was super helpful though. I kind of ran by my ideas and what I wanted. I didn't need inside pockets. This is obviously more something cool for my office. But I did want to put my logo on the pocket, etc. She worked up a full quote for me, including quick shipping up to Canada. I paid and they went to work on my jacket. Really excited to get a jacket from the original manufacturer who made these. And like I said, it was kind of cool that it was just sort of a manual process. I didn't just click a few buttons and design my jacket. I actually had to think it through and kind of write it out and send it to her, and she wrote up a quote. So very old school. They're based out of Chicago, and like I said, they still make jackets. So if this is something that would be interesting to you, definitely check it out. I will say the prices of the jackets vary quite a bit. If you just want a solid color, and I forget which material was the cheapest, but you could get a jacket for under $100. But once you start doing things like adding different colors, adding a logo, adding mesh, etc., things like that, the prices can go up quite a bit. I will say actually putting my logo on was about a quarter of the cost of the jacket just because they have to create a custom template for it. You can get a jacket anywhere from around $100 up to several $100s. Mine did cost several $100s, but I was really okay with that just because I really wanted something cool and unique. So at long last, here is the jacket that they built for me. I'm really happy with how it came out. Obviously, went with a Canadian theme. You can see they put my logo on the pocket as well. I had the number 902, which I picked as a badge number. I will explain why in a second. Here's a close-up of the logo. You can tell it's embroidered right in. They did a fantastic job. And then as well, it has the cool tag, Peco, since 1919, over 100-year-old company. It is proudly on display in my office. The reason why I chose 902, it is the area code for the area of Canada in which I was born, a small X mining town, which is right up here on the peak of Nova Scotia. It's Sydney, Nova Scotia, if you are curious. So that is where the 902 comes from. And while I was on the theme of decorating my office, I needed one more piece of artwork, which I went to Google. I found a picture of actual Treasury Pit traders. This is from 1995. In the heat of the moment, I like to envision myself right smack dab in the middle of them, wearing proudly my new Peco trading jacket. So I had this printed out on canvas and then put it in a frame. It's about 2.5 feet by close to 2 feet if you are curious. And those two items now would proudly decorate my trading office. So guys, if that's something you thought was pretty cool, if it's something that sparked your interest, you want your own jacket, contact Peco. You email them through their website. I'll put a link to the CNN business video down below as well. I mean, it's 11 years old, but it's kind of cool to actually see the factory. And this gentleman, his father actually started the business. They're still in existence. They're in Chicago. So a lot of history there. It's just so cool, I think. So guys, that is it for this video. Just wanted to share my trading jacket and poster that I had created. Hopefully brings me some good luck trading the treasuries. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.